So you need to find literary criticism. Well, as we scroll down the aisles of the Gale Literary Indexes, you might ask yourself, among these many volumes, where it is you should start to find literary criticism. Well, this video will help show you how to go about finding criticism in the Gale Literary Indexes. Let's take a look at the different Gale Literary Indexes. Contemporary literary criticism, 20th century, 19th century, classical and medieval, novels for students, short story criticism, short stories for students, poetry criticism, and more. Let's look for short story criticism on The Swimmer by John Cheever. Go to the last volume and turn to the author index and look up your author. When you find your author in the author index, you'll notice volume numbers as well as abbreviations for the other Gale Literary Indexes. So in effect, you can go to any Gale Literary Index, go to the last volume, look up your author in the author index, and it will tell you the volumes and Gale indexes that have criticism on your story. Now we know what volumes and indexes to go to. For The Swimmer, we can stick to short story criticism, but when we go to the volume, we want to check the title index to see if that particular volume covers the story. If it does, it will list the page numbers and page ranges where you will find criticism on the story. Then turn to these pages to find the literary criticism on your story. The Gale Literary Indexes cannot be checked out of the library. However, photocopiers are available to make any copies you need. There are also online databases for literary criticism. Ask your librarian for details.